Hello, everyone. My name is Karli Hinton, and I would like to say what an incredible honor it is to receive the Guarino Award for Excellence in Master Studies. I want to thank both the faculty and my peers for this recognition. At the start of this master's program, moving from Tacoma, Washington to San Antonio, Texas was very exciting, but also a little nerve-wracking since I had never been to Texas and knew no one in San Antonio. However, I really appreciated how this program was set up, as the classes you take are with the same people all year long, which really allowed me to form strong connections with my fellow master students. These connections not only made my transition to San Antonio smoother, but also enriched my academic journey through our collaborative study group sessions. Aside from this, UT Health also provides several opportunities to interact with peers outside of not only the lab, but also outside of your program, such as clubs, student government, and even recreational sports leagues. I believe all of these interactions were very beneficial for my success at UT Health, as they helped to prevent me from getting burnt out, which was very important. After settling into the program, I joined a lab where I made strong connections with a fellow master's student and a PhD student that I worked under. These relationships were truly instrumental in advancing my research, along with developing my scientific thinking, which really allowed me to excel in this environment. Additionally, I devoted a substantial amount of time and effort to my research, as I really wanted to learn as much as I possibly could during my time here. This hard work and dedication led to a novel discovery in my research on IL-27 signaling in B cells in breast cancer, which ultimately opened the door for me to produce a first author paper and present my work at a national conference. When I started here at UT Health, I had a little bit of lab experience, but not really any experience working or being in a research-driven lab. This program really allowed me to become very comfortable in a research setting, as well as gave me confidence in my own laboratory skills, and I think this was super vital in my pursuit for obtaining a great job upon graduation. Reflecting on my journey, there are a few pieces of advice that I'd like to share. One would be to go after what you want and don't be afraid to ask questions, especially when it comes to deciding what lab to join, since as master students we don't really have rotations like the PhD students, so there can be a little bit more uncertainty when it comes to joining a lab. Personally, I found it really helpful to shadow someone in the lab for a day, as the individuals you will be working with are almost just as important as the PI. Lastly, I would recommend to always apply to everything, even if you think you don't have a good chance at success. This could be along the lines of submitting an abstract for a poster or conference, or applying for grants and travel awards. It's definitely worth a try, as you may be surprised with the outcome. But even if you don't receive what you wanted, the practice of submission will definitely benefit you in future applications, whether that be school or work related. To close, I would like to sincerely thank everyone who was a part of my journey here at UT Health, as the school, the lab, and even San Antonio itself have really helped me grow personally and professionally. Upon graduation, I have moved to Seattle to pursue a career at Fred Hutch Cancer Center, and I am excited to continue my journey here at Fred Hutch, researching HIV vaccines and carrying forward the lessons I've learned at UT Health. Thank you again for this incredible honor and for being part of my journey, and good luck.